Experiencing issues with your Red Pocket service? You're not alone. Since Red Pocket operates on major networks like Verizon and AT&T, most problems stem from network hiccups or incorrect settings. Let's tackle the most common frustrations: no service, data not working, and call text failures. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and undamaged. A loose or faulty SIM is a frequent culprit. Next, confirm your Red Pocket plan is active and paid up. Unpaid balances will immediately suspend service. Finally, try the classic troubleshooting steps. Toggle airplane mode on and off, or restart your phone. These actions often refresh your connection to the network and resolve temporary glitches. Since Red Pocket operates on major networks like Verizon and AT&T, most problems stem from network hiccups or incorrect settings. Coverage varies across the US. If problems persist, it's time to dive deeper into network settings. If basic troubleshooting fails, incorrect access point name settings are often the cause of data issues. The APN tells your phone how to connect to the mobile data network. For Verizon-based Red Pocket plans, the APN should typically be VZ Winternet, while AT&T uses phone or broadband. You can find these settings in your phone's network settings menu. Resetting these APN settings can resolve many data connection problems. Simply navigate to your phone's network settings and update the access point name. For call and text issues, particularly in areas with weak cellular signal, try enabling Wi-Fi calling in your phone settings. This routes calls and texts over your Wi-Fi network, bypassing cellular signal problems. If you're still struggling, consider that issues can sometimes originate with the underlying carrier. Check Red Pocket's website or social media for any reported outages in your area. If the problem is carrier-related, patience is key until they resolve the issue. For persistent problems, contact Red Pocket support through their app or website for personalized assistance, remembering to provide your IMEI number by dialing *6 for faster support.